Hello everyone. Let's take a look the image on your screen. The arrow moves toward to the cafe, but stop right at the doorstep. Is the correct sentence. He walked to the cafe or he walked into the cafe. Write down your guess right now. The answer is 2. Why not into? Let's find the difference. Notice the difference. We use to when we are simply moving toward a destination or a general location. For example, I go to school. However, if your movement actually takes you past the entrance and inside the space, we use into. For example, he walked into the classroom. Into always involves the action of entering enclosed area. This pair is very straightforward. If your movement is heading toward a higher point, use up. For example, the cat ran up the tree. If the movement is heading toward the ground or a lower level, use down. For example, she walked down the stairs. Finally, we have across. Imagine standing on the side of the road and you walk over to the opposite side. This movement from the edge of a flat surface to the other is called a cross. For example, be careful when you walk across the street or across the bridge.
So now look closely at the screen and notice the direction of the arrows. And then write down your answer in your book or a piece of paper right now. I'll give you 10 seconds to write down your answer. Okay, so the first image, the question is, Tom is running blah 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 the hill. The arrow points up, so the answer is up. Tom is running up the hill. Moving to the second image, the question is, the car drives blah 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 the bridge. The car is crossing a flat bridge, so the answer is across. The car drives across the bridge. And then the last image, the question is, put the coin blah 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 the piggy bank. The coin goes inside the piggy bank, so the answer is into. Put the coin into the piggy bank. Now here is the ultimate challenge for the intermediate level. Pay attention to the route map on the screen and let's create the story together based on the arrows. First, we need to walk across the yard. So, what kind of preposition of direction word we use? Yes, it's across. So the sentence is we walk across the yard. And the second, we need to walk toward the front door. So what kind of preposition of direction word we use? Yes, it's to. So the sentence is we walk to the front door. And then the third or the last, we need to step inside the house. So what kind of preposition of direction word we use? Yes, it's into. So the sentence is we step into the house. Great, you have just mapped out a perfect directional route using the preposition we learned today. Okay, so we reach our done of learning for today. And remember today's key takeaways. Two is for general destination. Into is for entering inside a space. Up is for moving higher. And down is for moving lower. And then the last is across is for crossing over. Your final text as today's class exit ticket is imagine you are currently on the second floor and want to go inside a car parked outside. What preposition would you use? And write a short sentence in the comment section. Thank you for learning today. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and goodbye.